Welcome. In front of me is an LG F60 and today I will show you how to root the device. So starting off, you want to be connected to the internet, so make sure you are connected to some kind of Wi-Fi, and from there we're just gonna go into the browser, minus Chrome, so from accept, whatever, next, done. So in the browser, tap on the search bar and type in kingroot.net. Like so, and go. And from there, scroll a little bit down till you see the, get to the free download. So you have to just tap it like so. Okay, so wait for the download to start. Yeah, as you can see now, get a little prompt, tap on OK. And now get a downloading. If I pull down the notification panel, you can see that it's downloading right now. Okay, so once it has downloaded, you can now tap on it. So once again, I just pull down the notification panel like this from the top, tap on the downloaded file. And now we have to enable unknown sources, otherwise we can't install it. So tap on the settings and then you get taken to the settings where you have unknown sources right here. So just check it on like so and confirm it. And we're going back to the installation, so tap on next, 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 and install. Now once you see this, make sure that you don't press on OK, but press on the little arrow right here. There's a tiny little arrow, so click on it and you will get this option right now, install anyway with unsafe. Okay, so tap on install anyway, wait for the program to actually install. Yeah, and once it has, just tap on open. From here, swipe a couple times up. Okay, and now tap on try it. Give it a moment. And then you can tap on try root. So tap on it and it will begin rooting the device. And as you can see, now the process is finished. And just as a proof, I'm gonna actually go into Play Store, just so you can see that it is indeed rooted. So I'm downloading root checker and picked the one that has the highest rating. So edit install. Okay, let's open it and you should see that it is, the device is rooted. Yep, as you can see, rooted. So the process has worked. And yeah, that's basically how you root the device. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.